Today I have two Louis Vuitton unboxings for you. These are both fun items. I'm looking forward to telling you about them. And I also have an unboxing from Hermes. What could it be? What could they all be? Stay tuned to find out. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Now, all three of these items have something in common. Let's see if you can figure that out as I go through them. We're going to start with the Louis Vuitton unboxings. These are all also new items to each of the fashion houses. I just untied the bow on this without even showing it to you first. So this came in a little Louis Vuitton bag. I've gotten these bags before when I've ordered a notebook. It has sticky stuff on the back, and there's a place to put a ribbon. And I must confess, I have already opened this and have been trying it because I wanted to be able to give you a decent review. Inside I have the City of Stars perfume, which is new to Louis Vuitton. I had to come closer so you can see the box a little better. Let me give you a spin of it. It's such a pretty box. There you go. It has, I'm guessing that is Los Angeles in the sunset of the palm tree. And then I want to carefully open the side here without ripping the paper box, which sometimes can be a challenge. And when you open this up, you see the little container in there. And here's how the container looks. It says City of Stars, Louis Vuitton, and the top is white, and you can see the LV logo there. Hope you can see it. Pull the top off, and there's the bottle. Pull the bottle out. I think you can see it pretty well against my white top there. The bottle is colored from a pink down to a purple on the bottom, so it's very pretty. This is the smaller of the two sizes. It has this lid with the white LV logo. This is a heavy metal lid, and it is magnetic to the top. Vuitton does their bottles nicely, and then you just push here to spray. Very nice. I just realized I have no jewelry on. I always think about that before I spray perfume, because you don't want to spray perfume on your jewelry. I just filmed a bunch of clothing try-ons. Oh, and I just swallowed the perfume. I'm gonna move back here. Yeah, it doesn't taste great, but it does smell nice. Let me tell you, I'm very, very picky about perfumes, and I don't feel like I'm great at describing them, but there are two Louis Vuitton perfumes that I love. One is Cactus Garden, which is now discontinued as I understand it, or at least it's very difficult to get. The other is Le Jour se lève. Cactus Garden has this bright, fresh scent. I use that in the morning, right after I get out of the shower, a few spritzes. It's a lovely way to start the day. Le Jour se lève, on the other hand, is more of an evening scent. It's like orange peel. That's the best way that I can describe that. This is more similar to Le Jour se lève, but I would say it has the potential to be more of a daytime, like an afternoon kind of scent. Personally, it's not a morning scent for me. It is a deeper scent, but it does have that deep citrus note in it. I think it has blood orange in it. I will say that this is stronger than the other two perfumes I have. It lasts longer throughout the day. The other two disappear on me pretty quickly. This one I smell all day, even sometimes the next day. Like if I've sprayed it in my room here like I just did, I'll walk in tomorrow and I might still be able to smell it. I love how it smells right up front, but as time goes on, it doesn't smell as good to me. It has more of that alcohol or chemically scent that I'm not a big fan of in perfumes. I bought this on a bit of a whim from Becca. Becca's my sales associate at Louis Vuitton. Her information's linked below if you need a sales associate. Usually I'm able to try samples, like take it home and see how a perfume does on me before I buy something, but this was so new she didn't have samples yet, and I really liked how it smelled up front, so I just went for it. I actually, the first 2 days or so that I was wearing this, I thought about offering it for sale to you guys, but right now it's grown on me more. So for the moment, I'm gonna hold on to it, and I'll let you know if I decide to sell it. It'll be a used bottle because I've used some spritzes out of it, but for now I'm keeping it. We'll see. I'm getting more used to it, I guess, but I still like the other two better. This is my least favorite of the three, but I like it better than a lot of the other perfumes that I've tried. Now this is the piece that I went into the store to purchase, and that's when I purchased the perfume on a whim, and this piece is responsible for the Hermes purchase as well. So what could this be? Let's see. This is kind of outside my comfort zone, or outside my usual kind of purchases, or more specifically outside the colors I usually am drawn to. And it is from the new Louis Vuitton line that a lot of people have been going crazy over. This is in a magnetic box. Open it up. It has the Louis Vuitton tissue paper and the Louis sticker. There was some kind of anniversary recently that I didn't pay enough attention to be able to tell you what it was, but I saw people leaving with shopping bags that either said Louis Vuitton or they had Louis Vuitton's head on them, and then they would have this sticker on the shopping bag. And in the tissue paper, what do they usually wrap in tissue paper, guys? Can you guess? It's usually scarves, right? Is mine a scarf? No, it's not. It's a scrunchie. Yes, another one. Hold on, I'll show you the first one I got in case you're not familiar with that. Up close autumn here again. Here's the first one I got. This is from that recent denim line that Louis Vuitton did. It's very pretty. I've worn this a lot so far. I've gotten a lot of use out of it. It's a heavy material because it's not denim, but it's made to look like denim. But I've really enjoyed it, so I felt very comfortable picking this up. Now, I don't usually wear these kinds of colors, but like so many of you guys, I kind of fell in love with this collection when it came out, and I wanted a piece, but I didn't want a bag. I thought about getting the Kirigami pouches, but I just don't think I would use them. And then I thought about getting the Wapiti pouch. Becca actually found one available for me that she could get, but then I looked at the dimensions, and it was smaller than I thought it would be. I thought I'd be able to use it as a small camera bag. Not the crossbody kind of camera bag, but a bag to actually put my little point and shoot camera in. And it was too small for that, it turned out. So I declined that, and I decided on the scrunchie, which was one of my first choices anyway. And the colors are just so pretty together. It has pinks and purples and blues, but then it also has peachy colors. On one side it's small LVs. I think you can see probably that the best. And then on the other side, it's larger LVs. And that's one of the things with the Louis Vuitton scrunchies is often they're two-sided and they're different prints. And very often with those, I like one side but not the other side. That's the good thing about these two, is they're basically the same on both sides. This one is the same on both sides. This one is the same colors, you just get the small versus the large LV. Both of them have a little gold LV charm logo attached to them. Both also have a Louis Vuitton tag with care instructions on the back. I want to take this one off, but I have to be super careful because it's sewn on there really tight and I don't want to cut the silk. I have already worn this a few times and it's very comfortable. It's a lot less stiff than this material is because this is silk. It's pretty puffy, just really pretty. Now, I said I don't gravitate to these colors generally, so there's not a lot in my wardrobe that this scrunchie will go with, and that inspired me to go on a little bit of a shopping spree, and I have a try-on video coming up where I buy clothes specifically to match this scrunchie, which is kind of weird, but look out for that. Now, I said that inspired this purchase from Hermes, so let's get into this and see what I got. I'm excited about this one. The other two, like I said, where are my scissors? Here they are. Like I said, I had actually already opened those and I had been using them because I wanted to be able to give you guys a bit of a review on them and let you know how well they were working for me or not working for me. This one is a true unboxing. I've never seen this particular item in person, so I hope it's as pretty as it was on the website. Okay, it came in this little box. Does not want to open. Here we go. Maybe? Ah, finally figured it out. There we go. It says Hermes. There's some paperwork. I assume my receipt is in there. Yes, it is. It's interesting, the receipt, on the back of it, it has all of the Hermes stores in the US listed. And this is interesting. Jill Maurer, some of you remember her. She is really enjoying Hermes lately, and she's learned a lot more about the brand than I know. And she was telling me about their return policy because I told her I'd ordered something online, and she asked if I was familiar with this concept. If you order something online, you can return it by mail and you can get your money back. If you order something from the store and you take it to the store to return it, or according to these return instructions, if you order something online and you take it into the store to return it, you cannot get your money back. You can only get store credit. That's insane to me. That's just mind-boggling. You want to see what's in the box? here it is. A tiny orange box. A little round box. I'm gonna slip that ribbon right over the side. By the way, I do have another Hermes unboxing coming, another brand new item ordered online. It will be in a different box from this. Will it be a Birkin? Absolutely not. Nor will it be a Kelly or any other handbag, but it is something quite nice, so keep your eye out for that video. All right, in here, we all know what this is, don't we? Ah, it's a twilly. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, this is just what I was thinking. The colors are slightly darker than I thought they would be, but yes. All right. I actually went into the store to see if they had this in store so I could see it in person first, but they didn't, and that's why I ordered it online. The other thing I ordered, sorry, I'm looking down, there's a little imperfection in my twilly. I've never seen that on an Hermes scarf before. It's tiny. I'm going to keep it. That won't be enough for me to send it back, but it's like a little pull on the thread. I was saying, the other item I ordered online they also didn't have in the store, which is why I ordered it online. All right, let me come up close and show you this. Here is one end, and I think you can maybe tell why the other purchase inspired this one. It's because of the colors. It's the pastels, and also the perfume was in the pastels. I'll turn this over. It is different on the second side. So they are all hot air balloons on both sides, and they're all in pastels, and you can see the background fades from a green to a purple. But this side just has the balloons and then it has some birds, whereas this side has more vehicular parts of the balloon. It's especially this. I love this with the bird basket thing on the balloon. Thought that was really fun. This side does have that whole balloon too. And I didn't realize that the background fades from green to blue, because when you see it online, you just see it like this, so you don't see how the two go together. I thought one side was purple and one was green. And it is kind of like that, because the green side is still green on the other side, and the purple side is still purple on the other side. It's very pretty. So what I was thinking, let's say I'm wearing an outfit like I'm wearing now, white top with blue jeans. I can have this in my hair, and I could have this tied on a bag, and I thought those would be very pretty together. So that was my thought process, and that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. I will leave my contact information for Becca at Louis Vuitton in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.